Hi tax professionals, this is Ram. In this video I will explain how to get PTIN. This process contains 3 steps. First one, create an account in IRS website, and second one, upload attached passport copy for approval. Third one, register and get PTIN after payment. So simply open your browser, click the IRS PTIN and select first one, PTIN requirements for tax preparers. So scroll down and click the renew, register or login. Scroll down and click the create an account and select first two options. I will prepare US federal tax return for compensation, and second one, I am enroll agent or planning to become one, and click the next and click the no if you don't have valid SSN, mean social security number. If you have SSN, click the yes. If you don't have SSN, click the no. If you have ITIN, click the no, because ITIN not considered as a valid SSN. So if you don't have SSN, click the no simply and click the next and scroll down and enter your first name as per your passport, not your 10th records. As per your passport, enter your first name. If you don't have first name, click the FNU, first name is unknown. Simple. If you don't have last name, enter LNU, last name is unknown. That's fine. Okay, enter your email, active email, because IRS send temporary passwords and OTPs. So enter your active email address and click the next. And your screen appear like this, all done. So check your email ID. So IRS send this like temporary password like this. So copy this temporary password, go to IRS website. So enter user ID, mean your email address, and enter your temporary password IRS sent to you. Click the login ID. So the next, IRS redirected to create an account for you. So enter your current password IRS sent to you, temporary password, and create a new passport that contain with one uppercase, one lowercase, one special case, and one number. So I enter new passport and here. So click the submit button. And go back to IRS website and click the login, enter your email ID, email address, and click the your current passport and click the login button. And IRS will send email to 6-digit verification code. So go to your email inbox. IRS will send like this. IRS code is 52378 blah blah blah. So copy this code and enter here. This screen appear like this, that indicates your PTIN account activated in your IRS website.